Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. So we'll continue our discussion about types of quadrilateral, right? Today we are going to talk about a rectangle and parallelogram. Okay. So what is the normal definition of a rectangle, right? So a rectangle is a shape as a quadrilateral that has opposite sides equal, opposite sides are parallel, all angles are equal, and all angles are right angles. Alright. So let's say this. Okay. So in a rectangle, when you see a rectangle, you will see opposite sides equal. So these are the opposite sides. So this will be equal to this, right? And this will be equal to this. The shorter sides will be equal to shorter sides, and the longer sides will be equal to longer sides. So the opposite sides are equal, and the opposite sides are parallel. So this longer side, these two sides are parallel to each other. They will not intersect, and the shorter sides are parallel to each other. They will not intersect. Now all angles are equal. So if you look at the angles, all the angles are equal and all of them are right angles, right? So this is the definition of rectangle. Now when we, like we discussed earlier, if you use your thumb and press at the corner of a rectangle, it will look like this, right? It will look like a bend on one side. That shape is also a quadrilateral side polygon, and it is called parallelogram. So what is the commonality and the difference between a parallelogram and a rectangle? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Yes, opposite sides are parallel. That is right. All angles are equal. No. All the angles are right angles. No. Right. So when you look at the parallelogram, you will see the opposite sides are parallel and equal. So this side and this side will be equal, and the opposite sides, the shorter sides, will be equal and parallel. But when you look at the angle, these angles are not equal. So this is how you differentiate and see differentiate between rectangle and parallelogram. Thank you.